I really hope that you'll enjoy your visit to Dalby today and enjoy your tour of the solar system. This is John Harper, President of the Scarborough and District Astronomical Society, about to blast off for the Sun. The Sun, our nearest star. This is the very nearest of 100,000 million stars that make up the Milky Way galaxy in which we live. So now we're moving towards the Sun, and there it is, the brightest object in the solar system, the centre of the solar system, which consists of the Sun and its family of 9 planets. So here comes the Sun. 864,000 miles from top to bottom. It's so big that the Earth will be dwarfed into insignificance at the side of it. And you can see just behind the Sun at the moment another planet. That's the planet Earth, our own planet, which looks like a star shining in the solar system. And there's another planet too. That's Jupiter. And there are other planets as we go around the Sun, because we're in orbit around our star, which has been shining for over 4,500 million years, and it's going to shine for another 5,000 million years before it eventually becomes a huge red giant and engulfs all of the inner planets, including the Earth. So we'll leave the Sun now, and we'll head out from the Sun towards the nearest of all the planets. We know where it is, so I'm going to move my finder away to the bottom of the screen. And so we're now homing in on the innermost of all the planets, the planet Mercury, which is named after the messenger of the gods. Hermes was his name in Greek. He had the task of bringing either good or bad news to people on the Earth. Of course, people on Earth always wanted the good news. But here it is, the planet Mercury, which is so near to the Sun that on the side of the planet facing the Sun, the temperature is about 3 times hotter than boiling water. And on the night side of the planet, it's freezing cold. In fact, the temperature there is twice as cold as it is at the North Pole on Earth. So here is the warmest and coldest planet in the entire solar system, the little planet Mercury, which is approximately half the size of the Earth, perhaps a little bit less than that. And here we're going to see a very interesting effect as the planet Mercury goes in front of the Sun. And here it is, an eclipse of the Sun by the planet Mercury. We're looking at the night side of the planet here, which is very, very cold. The planet itself takes 88 days to do one complete circuit of the Sun, which means that if you lived on Mercury, you'd have a birthday every 88 days, which means that you're pretty ancient, a lot older than you think you are right now at the moment. But there it is, the planet Mercury, covered in pockmarks because it got the full blast at the beginning of the solar system of lumps of rock which came down, producing holes or craters, impact craters, all over this tiny little world. And you can see all of the craters on Mercury. Some of them are so big that if you took one of them, a typical one, and put it where we are at the moment in Low Dalby, it would stretch from here to Leeds, on the other side of the Vale of York. So here we are, the planet Mercury, messenger of the gods. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the solar system. We look forward to seeing many of you here at Low Dalby on the first Friday of every month, when you can see the real stars themselves and the planets too.